In today's video, I'm gonna make a 3-ingredient coconut pecan cluster that is gonna blow your mind. All you need is some white chocolate, some coconut shavings, some coconut flakes, and some roasted pecans. I'm gonna show you how to roast the pecans now, and then once you have those ready, we will put together the rest of the recipe. This is just a little ultra-fine sea salt. You guys, I've got the pecans roasting in the oven and they smell incredible. Take a look. Roasted and smelling so good. All right, you guys, I'm back and I have my chocolate already melted. I melted it in the microwave. You just want to get it nice and smooth. It's perfectly melted right now. And then to that, I'm gonna dump in a bag of coconut flakes and get that mixed in really well. This smells so yummy. And then to that, I'm gonna add in that cup of nuts. I'm gonna just give them a light chop. All right, let's give them a light chop. All right, we're just gonna get this all stirred up. All right, that's it. That's all there really is to it. Now we're gonna drop it on a tray. I'm gonna go ahead and prep it with a little bit of water and then some clear plastic wrap. And then you just scoop them out onto your tray. I'm gonna go ahead and pop these in the fridge so that they can set up, and then we'll do a taste test in just a bit. I'll see you right back. What do you think, you guys? Aren't they beautiful? They look like little snow stacks. So, these may be one of my favorite desserts. The saltiness and the roasted flavor of the pecans really works so well with the light and fluffy coconut flavor and the white chocolate. The crunch is so satisfying. The flavor is just to die for. They just melt right in your mouth, but not in your hand. These are wonderful. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you give these a try. Let me know down in the comments if you want to give them a try, if you've given them a try, if you've had them before. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Merry Christmas to everyone.